Oui, mandroso. Afaka raisiko feno CV-nao azafady. Tonga dia hiroso avy hatrany amin'ny fanontaniana voalohany ary isika. Raha tahiny ka voaray soaman tsara ianao hiasa ato aminay dia afaka lazainao ve hoe vonona tsara ianao amin'ny tsara indrindra ny motivation-nao na ny fahavononanao zany tiako ianona.
Tena hoe vonona, tena hoe tsisy olona vonona afa-tsy angambany. Tena hoe vonona tena tanako.
Ny fanontaniana faharoa satria maro ireo candidat izay nanatitra. Mahafinaritra be, tsara be ilay valim-panontaniana. CV koa ato mipetrapetraka be miampy an'ilay fanamarihana kely ato anaty CV ty hoe mahay miteny teny anglisy ianao. Izay dia tena manome lanja ny olona izay mahay miteny teny anglisy mihitsy. Priorisenay zany ireny olona ireny e. So I would like to switch our conversation into English. So my first question for you is, can you talk a little bit about yourself?
Huh?
Can you make yourself known, please?
No.
Can you introduce yourself?
Dear dictionnaire.
Oh my God, why do you need a dictionary?
Akzay tsy ngitriko anglais.
Yes, yes.
I am Tsiaro, and I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am
What? Fan?
right?
Oh my God.
No, I am
Yes.
10, 10,
10,
10,
10.
10. 10.
Okay, so do you mean 20?
20,
Yes,
20.
yes, okay.
That's it, yes.
So, okay, maybe this is my last question for you. What were the circumstances that made you to decide to move on from your last position? Okay, so I'm going to repeat it. What were the circumstances that made you to decide to move on from your last position?
The last position.
Yes, your last position.
Position.
Yes.
Yes.
Position. Yes.
I don't have girlfriend and the position. I am single.
Oh my God.
Celibature.
That's not what I mean. What I mean is, why did you quit your last position?
Position.
Okay, so your recent job.
Bye bye.
What are you doing?
Goodbye.
And where are you going?
Tsy mety amin'aly azo. Sy vai.
Oh my God.
Good. See you. Hey, bye-bye, Filume. Hey guys, for those who want to speak English fluently like a native speaker, come and join NS Languages. Toko amin'ny gasy am'zay.
Efa manomboka moa zany fisoratana anarana amin'ny NS Languages. Ary amin'ny 13 décembre 2025 ho avy zao ny farany fisoratana anarana. Moa moa zany feretana izy 4 fois par semaine no mianatra ary 1h30 par séance. Zay rehetra rehetra zay moa no 300 000 ariary par niveau. Dia aza taraiky fa voafeto an-toerana.